How to disable the passenger airbag on the Renault Espace. The passenger's airbag is here on the dashboard. To disable it, because if you want to put a child seat here, then you have to turn off that airbag and you have to mount that seat in reverse. And to disable that airbag, you have to open that compartment. You have to turn off the engine. Off. Okay, open this lower portion, push down this button, and there is the airbag on off switch. That one, you have to push it in and then rotate it to the left. So push it in and now it's off. The same thing, push it in and to the right and now it's on. So let's disable it. This car already has an airbag related problem, more exactly the pre-tensioner here, the base of this one, down there. So let's close it, start the engine, and now you will have an additional message on the dashboard. Now it appeared. Turn off that light. So it is this one. Airbag off. That is the passenger airbag is off, and there is the child seat which is mounted in reverse. Ignore this one on the right side, that's my pre-tensioner. So that is the passenger airbag disabled icon. Okay, it is not recommended to enable it or disable it while the engine is running, but I can do it. Just pull yourself away from the airbag for safety reasons, just in case one decides to explode and open. So I can push it in and turn it to the right, and that should disappear from there, and it disappeared. Now it's rotated to the other direction and the airbag is off. Here it's in the off position also. Rotate it to the right and the airbag is on. Airbag to be controlled, that's my problem, that's related to the driver's side. Ignore that one. So that's how to disable the passenger side airbag on this Renault Espace.